What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about Neewer lights. We're gonna do an unboxing on this Neewer light. This is for like camera gear, photography. If you're into filming like me, a light will help you out a lot. Makes your shit more vivid at night, brighten up your clip at night, and yeah, even if you're gonna take photos, got you some extra flashlights and so forth. Let's go. All right, so Neewer CN160 model LED video lighting. Comes with two diffusers and so forth. I got mine on Amazon.com. This is the ones this is the one I got last time. These motherfuckers last pretty long. I have an old one that lasted me for fucking about 10 years. Yeah, let's get it. So just opening it up. First up, we see extra adapter for the battery of a Panasonic. This also came in the last light I bought. So yeah, we're also gonna do a comparison of these lights. Yeah, I mean, got a pretty okay fancy wrapping. It's a little glossed out compared to the old one. Yeah, same. This part looks a little different from the fucking old one. You have it longer here. Compared to my old one. Let's go get the old one. Alright, so we got the old one here. This is the new one. They're about the same size. The noticeable difference that I'm already seeing after a 10-year manufacturing thing, I guess, is this. The hot shoe, cold shoe, whatever you call it, is a little different. This one comes already with this fucking diffuser. Yeah, let's go put that down real fast. Check what's in the box. And you got one more clear diffuser. Oops. And of course, some paperwork. Yep. Big differences that I already see from. They're the same exact models, but the 10-year difference is the handle, and also. On the last time I ordered this 10 years ago, I guess it came with a cool diffuser clamp holder, or what's it called? Diffuser holder. Yeah. I bought a new one because my handle here, or the light switch here, broke. So it's always stuck on. And yeah. What else is different on this bad boy? Okay, so also the connectors are a little bit fatter, I guess, compared to the old ones, like a 10-year-old difference. This one's more longer and so forth, you know, as you can see. Pretty much similar though. This one's just more shiny and this one's more matte, you know. This one has skate stickers kind of broken on the bottom. But yeah, biggest difference is that. And I guess that's all I want to show you. Maybe we'll do a light test. Let's do that right now. Yeah. I mean, these lights are really cool because you can, you know, let the brightness shine and get brighter and brighter and brighter. Yeah. New light. Old, new, we're just doing comparison. The luminous is just the same shit kind of right there. The only thing different here is the color. It's a little glossed out, and the hot shoe handle. Yeah, also, yeah, the connectors for the battery. It's a little fatter, so it doesn't slip in as easy on the connectors of the battery. Those two, 1 and 2 would be the difference, and also 3. You don't get that cool thing like I did 10 years ago. You just get 2 diffusers. You don't get the purple one. But yeah, and that's how it looks. Neewer, pretty cheap shit, made in China, just for video lighting, videography, and so forth. Yeah. Alright, so Neewer lights. This one is with the diffuser. This one makes it more vivid when I use it. It's gonna be like 32K. 32,000. And then if you put it with this, it'll be a little bit like 56K, 56,000 luminums, or whatever you call them. This is LED, and yeah, so forth. I like using these lights, especially when I film, because I love when I film at night, because night filming is just fucking cool. It makes things more vivid, whatever you focus the light on, and so forth. This is my old light. I usually like using the purple one. This one didn't come with a purple diffuser, but what I noticed with this one is the quality has gone a little down from this exact same model 10 years ago. This is a new one, exact kind, but 10 years later. You can see just the hot shoe part is a little weird, but other than that, this shit goes. I like to recommend using lights for when you do photography or when you film, especially at night. These bad boys help out. So for filming, skateboarding, filming, and so forth, like I like to do it with, I love the look of a light. I really dig it because in Japan and Tokyo, the way they film is they kind of do one hand and they fucking get with the VX and they go at it, and it's a really cool sight. And also when you watch it on video, the quality just looks cooler and vivid. I can't stress that enough. Having a light at nighttime or when it's dark and not lit, it'll make your footage even better. But yeah, this is a pretty cheap one. You can get this at Amazon.com. So shout outs to you, Neewer lights. This model is called CN160. Yeah, you can put a VX battery on this motherfucker, and yeah, it goes. Thanks for watching this unboxing video and quick comparison from a 10-year difference of the same exact model. I don't know what else to say, but thank you and peace out. My name is Mark. Go get yourself a light, Neewer light, and film at the dark, film at nighttime. Shit looks good. Peace. I'm Mark.